Hello everyone. So today we had our monthly expiry and I hope it was a good one for you. So again, let's discuss what happened today and what we are expecting next. Okay. So the thing is that yesterday I clearly mentioned that, in bold letters, in big letters, I wrote even in the thumbnail also that call buying by the FIIs. Even if you haven't watched the video also, then also you would have got that call buying has been done by the big guys, okay, and that would have clearly given you the direction that is it's going to go up. So yes, and I clearly mentioned where they took the positions and where not. So even where I mentioned like at 17,800, 17,900 in the May month, the first week, so 4th May expiry, they took position. So even if you would have just like, let's take for an example like 70,900, okay, so in the morning the price was around 65 rupees, okay, so I think it was below that also, but okay, let's take for an example like 70 rupees hi pakad lete, okay. So the price of this was 70 rupees. If you have even bought it, then also like after that, at the end of the day, the price went up to like 110. Okay, so the thing is that yes, so these you can see that the change is like here 17,900 with respect to yesterday. The price went up by 37 rupees, but in the morning there was a dip. So this is with respect to yesterday. So but in the morning there was a dip, and the difference would have been like more than what we are talking. So yes, whatever it's like, you would have got more than like 30 to 40% easily by buying options. But now and market went up to 17,900 finally. So now let's discuss how our indicators performed. And here in the morning you see that starting the indicator was showing strength, though there was some dip. So if you come here, that is the red one is the score graph. So the score went up, though there was some dip by the index Nifty, and then finally Nifty came up, and that was the thing. And for Bank Nifty also, if you see here, that is, let's go here for Bank Nifty also, the thing is that the score came down but again recovered here, and so and finally it went up here. So there, the main action in Bank Nifty was going around here, that is from at around you can say 1321 to 1333, okay. So these 10 minutes the main action was going on in Bank Nifty, and the score jumped, and finally Bank Nifty showed the move, okay. And so even if you talk about the levels also, so Nifty opening at around here, that is 17,800, and then it went up and got some resistance at our next level that we talked about, 17,840, 846 exactly. And then after this, when the breakout came, so it finally went up. So even on our Telegram channel also, in the morning put riders were active, but there was something very special to note down, that is 923. I clearly mentioned that put riders are active, and even yesterday call buyers were also active, but someone was trying to pull down at 923. So if you have noticed at 923 what just happened, so as I was just saying, like not 923, this candle, so 935. So the thing was that I was witnessing some anomaly in the data. So 923, I told that someone is trying to pull down, and even at 926 I told that this pull down might be because someone wants to take fresh entry. Some big guys want to take fresh entry and would like to hit the bulls, okay. And exactly that happened. Like 926 I said the reason also, and then 935 this sharp move just suddenly came and then again it went up. So it did not give time, but the premium on the put side like suddenly spiked up. Okay, and that I mean that was many big guys entered there. Okay, and then after that market went up. So yes, so put riders were active, and then we were near to the resistance at 10:08, and we just here I was just scalping, but the thing was that we should also respect the resistance. So Bank Nifty was near to here, that is Bank Nifty also got some resistance, and Nifty was also getting some resistance, and I was just waiting for a breakout. Okay, so a breakout from this resistance so that we could go long finally. And after that the breakout came at around here, so where I clearly if you can see 1323, I clearly said that now heading towards 17,900, where put writers are active as well as the call buyers, as we analyzed yesterday, they were also active. Okay, so we were heading towards 17,900. So 1323, you can very well see it's at around here, that is, this is the candle. So this is where the breakout happened, because even the previous candle, you see, it was almost at parallel with the other candle. So this is, you can't say, but here when it just broke out, so we took the long positions. And yeah, so the from here, so you can very well see this is at around 17,865. Okay, so 17,865 to 17,900 is a good ride. And that too in the option expiry day, what happens is that if you take in the money options, it's almost like the premium increases, the delta is huge. Okay, so the premium increases by a huge lot with these moves. Okay, so that's the thing. And sometimes like with 1 point move in Nifty, you get almost 1 point move in the premium so as well, if you go deep in the money. So yeah, talking about that, and also Bank Nifty goes to the next level, that is 43,000, and stops there. And now let's discuss the next thing. But if my analysis are really helping you for the past week, whatever I have said, every day it worked. I clearly mentioned what to do according to the data, what will happen. Just go and check every video in this week, during this week. Everything went fine, and we had a bumper monthly expiry. And after this, what? So that's the big question. So now for that, let's come to the other data. So the FIIs have been buying. So yesterday they bought, today also they bought, but there is something to note down. So advance to decline ratios, again you can't say something very conclusive from here. XGX went above, so this happened during the day itself. But now let's come to the end of the day data. Sorry, not this one. Here. So this is 27th data, and this is 26. So let's compare with yesterday's data. So if you can see futures, both the sides heavy closing. Okay. So futures almost all the positions have been closed, from long, from short. So futures data not conclusive, again options data not conclusive, everything like so we have to wait for fresh data. So even if you look at prop dex data as well, so futures data almost the same on both the sides. So I think no one is sure about the direction of the market. So the thing is that it's not like we have to trade every day, so wait. If you are very sure about the direction tomorrow, so then only trade. Otherwise, I would say that leave tomorrow. Okay, it's not only the day next to the expiry, so it's just the first day for the next monthly expiry as well as for the next week's expiry. Okay, so I would say that give time, let the data build up. If you are very sure, very confident that you have been able to catch the big guys, what they're doing tomorrow, what fresh positions they're taking tomorrow, then you can initiate. But again, tomorrow we should take a leave, because every day this week we had a nice day. Overall profit is very good. So why, like if suddenly like we go to loss tomorrow, पूरा मतलब जो वीकेंड का जो मूड है वो we can lose that. So let's not let's not be sad during the weekend just because we would we might go in the wrong direction without the help of the data. Okay, so that said, wait for the data. Let's build, let the data build up, then we will conclude something with some accuracy. But now the data is inconclusive, so again the final verdict is no conclusion. Okay, so that's all the update for today. So please don't be disheartened. If there was some conclusion, I would have definitely said, but but for now we don't have any such data to conclude. So both the sides positions are there, so any side move can come, so please be cautious. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning and trade safely, and don't forget to put a like. See you in the next one.